मैं हूँ सुशील जांगिरा एंड वेलकम टू रिंग स्टार, जहां हम आपके फेवरेट मैटिनी आइडल्स को हमारे स्टूडियोज में बुलाते हैं और फोन कॉल्स के जरिए आपको उनसे कनेक्ट करवाते हैं। और आज हमारे साथ हैं एक ऐसी पावर हाउस एक्ट्रेस जिनका नाम सुनते ही कुछ कुछ होता है, जिन्हें देखते ही दिल तारा रंपम गाने लगता है और जिनसे हर कोई पूछना चाहता है, आती क्या खंडाला। Please say hello to the most beautiful, bindas and amazing queen of silver screen, Rani Mukherjee. Rani, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Sushil. That is such a wonderful introduction. Thank you.
No, but you are. So are you excited for the callers?
I'm actually very excited क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से कहती आई हूँ कि मेरी जो ऑडियंस है उन्होंने मुझे ये मतलब स्टार मतलब बनाया है और उनकी वजह से मैं आज यहाँ हूँ और उनके लिए मैं इतना मेहनत करती हूँ so that they get entertained and happy. और आज with this show, I think it's a great platform where I can connect with them. I can answer their questions that they have for me. So I'm really looking forward to it.
तो टाइम हो गया है पहले कॉलर का, देखते हैं कौन है। लकी, हेलो।
हेलो,
हाय, क्या नाम है आपका, कहाँ से बोल रही हैं?
देवांशी फ्रॉम मुंबई।
बड़ी प्यारी आवाज है, पूछिए अपना प्यारा सा सवाल।
Hey Rani, how are you?
Hi darling, how are you?
I'm good. You got a very pretty smile.
Thank you so much. And I'm sure the way you're sounding.
All the films, I'm all crazy about your aunt.
Thank you, but the way you're sounding, I think you have an equally beautiful smile as mine, or probably better than me.
Not better than you.
Tell me.
And I would like to ask a question for you.
Yeah.
We've heard that during the shoot of No One Kills Jessica,
Right.
Vidya Balan had a problem with her smile. It seemed that she wasn't able to concentrate. I can understand that if guys would have had this problem, she had the pagal hi kar diya. What's your say on this?
Darling, actually, Vidya used to look into my eyes and she used to start laughing. और जब मैं हंसना शुरू करती वो भी हंसती थी, लेकिन she used to burst out laughing as if I really look like a cartoon figure to her. But
Pretty that even the girls are like flattered.
I think so. And I think Vidya was quite enamored by my beauty. So she was मेरी कातिल अदाओं ने उन्हें भी एकदम transform कर दिया. But I think the truth is that I think Vidya is really fond of me. और she was not expecting me to be very fun loving and मस्तीखोर on the sets. तो जब भी वो मेरी आंखों में देखती उनको ऐसा लगता कि मैं कोई मस्ती करने जा रही हूँ, तो she used to start laughing. और लड़कों की जो बात है, I think all my heroes are in love with me. तो I think उनको सभी को मेरी हंसी बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah, it was really nice talking to you. And
Thank you, darling.
All the best for film.
Thank you,
It sounds
sweetheart.
really interesting and very
Thank you, sweetheart.
थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग। तो चलिए लेते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट कॉलर। हेलो।
Hello.
हाय, क्या नाम है आपका, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
Hello, Rani. I wanted to say that firstly, I'm Gaurav from Mumbai.
Hi, Gaurav.
Huge fan of yours.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Huge fan of yours, and I feel so lucky that I can talk with you.
How
today,
sweet. Thank
and
you.
I hope to meet you someday.
Very soon. I will be meeting you very soon. Please contact Zoom.
I have watched your every movie more than, but I am that disappointing by the number of films you are doing from the past couple of years or say 3 years.
Right, yeah.
Why are you being so choosy
Choosy.
in the recent past?
Gaurav, firstly, thank you so much. I'm really flattered that you love me so much and that you want to see me on screen more often. Actually, as I can be absolutely honest with you, last couple of years, apart from the films that I've done, I've really not got roles in which I really thought I could sink my teeth into and do justice, because as you know, I think I have a huge responsibility towards my fans like you, that whenever I come with a film, I don't disappoint you all with my work or my performance or my role. And in the past, I came with Dil Bole Haripa, which I really enjoyed playing the character of Veera and Veer. And after that, I think the only film that has really kind of excited me is No One Killed Jessica, which is what I've come right now with, and it's my next release. And after this, by God's grace, I think I've signed a film with Amir Khan, which is also going to be released this year, hopefully. But I'm starting shooting for it in March. So hopefully this year you won't be disappointed and you'll see me more often on big screen.
थैंक यू।
Thank you,
Lovely
Gaurav.
question. Thank you for calling. इनकी अदा से लेकर अदाकारी तक फैंस को रानी की हर बात माइंड ब्लोइंग लगती है। उन्हें रानी से अगर शिकायत है तो सिर्फ इतनी सी कि आजकल रानी बहुत चूजी हो गई हैं और सिलेक्टेड फिल्म्स ही करती हैं। चलिए जानते हैं कि 1 साल से भी लंबे गैप के बाद रानी के फैंस उन्हें स्क्रीन पर देखकर क्या कहना चाहते हैं। तो लेट्स सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से।
I'm eagerly waiting for it because first of all she's Rani Mukherjee and recently her movies have not done so well, but then she's a powerful actress and yeah, so I think this film might win out the Filmfare.
Hopefully it will be hit like other movies of Rani Mukherjee.
I hope she'll do good. She'll do better than Dil Bole Hadippa.
Good, she's coming back after a long time.
She looks fab in her new upcoming movie No One Killed Jessica.
It will be a good movie. I hope it's a good movie.
I find that movie pretty mysterious kind, so I really want to watch. I think the movie will be good because I think the story is really different.
Amazingly waiting for the film.
Yeah, I'm actually so happy with the way people are reacting, and they look to me like college students who you'll have interviewed. So I think it's great that they are looking forward to the film because nowadays यूथ को मतलब प्रेरित करना या यूथ को एक्साइट करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट हो गया बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वेरी चूजी अबाउट द फिल्म्स दैट दे वांट टू वॉच। और उनके साथ ऐसा होता है कि यू शो देम द प्रोमो, इफ दे लाइक इट दे विल गो फॉर इट, इफ दे डोंट लाइक इट दे वोंट गो फॉर इट।
No, but they will definitely go for No One Killed Jessica. तो लेते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट कॉलर। हेलो।
हेलो।
हाय, आपका नाम क्या है, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं आप?
राहुल, I'm calling from Delhi.
राहुल, रानी मुखर्जी मेरे साथ बैठी हैं, पूछिए अपना सवाल।
हाय रानी।
हाय राहुल।
रानी राहुल।
राहुल, आपको मतलब बुला के मुझे शाहरुख की याद आ गई। कुछ कुछ होता है में उनका नाम भी राहुल था। एंड मेरे तरफ से एक झप्पी ले लीजिए आप। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू राहुल।
थैंक यू। जी जी।
रानी, आपने गुलाम में एक गाना गाया था आदि का खंडाला, प्लीज अगर आप मेरे लिए एक लाइन उसकी गुनगुना दें।
जी जी जरूर। ए क्या बोलती तू, ए क्या मैं बोलूं, सुन सुना आती क्या खंडाला, क्या करूं आके मैं खंडाला, अरे झूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या। ओके राहुल, थैंक
यू राहुल। Wow, that was amazing.